Dreams are important. They fuel our passions and inspire us to reach for more. But dreams alone are not enough. To turn those dreams into tangible results, you need a system. A system provides the framework, the step-by-step process to transform aspirations into achievements. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start piling bricks without a blueprint, would you? The same goes for your goals. Without a clear plan, your dreams remain just that, dreams. Many entrepreneurs get stuck in the dreaming phase. They have grand visions, but struggle to translate those visions into actionable steps. This is where a robust system designed to guide and support you becomes essential. One of the most common mistakes entrepreneurs make is treating goals like wishes. They set vague aspirations without a concrete plan of action. I want to be successful, they declare. But success remains an elusive concept. Another pitfall is setting unrealistic goals. While ambition is admirable, setting the bar too high can lead to discouragement and ultimately abandonment of the goal altogether. It's crucial to set challenging yet attainable goals, breaking them down into smaller, more manageable milestones. Remember, goals are not set in stone. Flexibility is key. As you progress, you may need to adjust your approach, refine your strategies, or even redefine your goals based on new information and experiences. The SIMART criteria provide a framework for setting effective goals. Each element, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, plays a crucial role in transforming vague desires into concrete objectives. Specific. Define your goals clearly. What exactly do you want to achieve? Measurable. How will you track your progress? Establish metrics to quantify your success. Achievable. Set realistic goals that challenge you without being overwhelming. Relevant. Ensure your goals align with your overall vision and values. Time-bound. Establish deadlines to provide a sense of urgency and accountability. DSI, Dream Systems International, provides you with the tools and resources to set SIMART goals and, more importantly, to achieve them. Our platform is designed to keep you organized, motivated, and on track. Weekly KPIs, set key performance indicators, KPI, and track your progress week by week. This allows you to identify areas of strength and areas that need improvement. Automated reminders. Never miss a deadline or an important task. DSI's automated reminders will keep you on schedule and accountable. Workflow checkpoints. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. DSI's workflow checkpoints ensure you stay organized and make steady progress towards your goals. Monthly audit dashboards. Gain valuable insights into your performance with our comprehensive monthly dashboards. Track your progress, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. What gets measured gets managed. DSI emphasizes the importance of tracking your progress using relevant metrics. Whether it's leads generated, sales conversions, website traffic, or expenses and profits, monitoring these key indicators provides valuable data to guide your decisions. By analyzing your performance metrics, you can identify what's working well and what needs adjustment. This data-driven approach allows you to optimize your strategies maximize your efforts, and ultimately achieve your goals faster. Remember, goal setting is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process of setting targets, tracking progress, making adjustments, and celebrating successes along the way. Let's say your goal is to achieve financial freedom by generating a six-figure income within the next year. That's a significant goal, but DSI can help you break it down into smaller, more manageable daily actions. First, determine the specific actions that will drive revenue generation in your business. This could include networking events, sales calls, marketing campaigns, or content creation. Then, using DSI's task management system, schedule these activities into your daily routine. By consistently taking small, strategic actions each day, you create momentum and build towards your larger financial goal. DSI's platform provides the structure and accountability to transform those daily efforts into tangible results. Motivation is important, but it's not enough. Structure and accountability are the cornerstones of sustainable success. DSI provides the framework to keep you focused, organized, and on track towards your goals. Think of DSI as your accountability partner, your virtual mentor, always there to guide and support you. Our platform provides the tools, resources, and encouragement you need to overcome obstacles, stay motivated, and achieve breakthrough results. You have dreams, aspirations, and the potential to achieve extraordinary things. DSI provides the tools, resources, and support to turn those dreams into reality. Our platform empowers you to set SMIR goals and track your progress. Break down large goals into manageable daily actions. Stay organized, focused, and accountable. Make data-driven decisions to optimize your performance. Celebrate successes and learn from setbacks. Join DSI today and unlock your full potential. Together, let's turn your dreams into data and your goals into reality.